Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing something a little special and very close to the heart. I'm creating a Christmas Nativity crib, completely DIY, using mostly things that were already lying around at home. For this crib, I'm using leftover cardboard boxes, thermocol sheets, and even egg covers. I'm arranging all of this together to form a strong base structure. Now, before building, I planned the layout. I wanted two main sections. One side with closed doors giving an old ancient village house feel, and another open space where baby Jesus will be born. This contrast really helps the crib feel more realistic and meaningful. To make the structure look less flat and more real, I am carving brick patterns on the thermocol. You can use a cutter, blade, or even a pen, whatever works for you. Just be careful and take it slow. This small detail actually makes a huge difference once paint goes on. I found some random paper cups at home. I decided to convert them into a small village well. For the colors, I am using yellow and brown acrylic paints. These shades give that old, earthy, ancient house vibe. I am not aiming for perfection here. Uneven strokes actually help with realism. After painting, I covered the entire structure with POP earlier, which I couldn't shoot. Now, I am spray painting the whole space using dark brown with touches of yellow here and there. This adds depth and gives the structure a more aged look. Next, I have already created doors and windows, and now I am attaching them using a glue gun. Now that the structure is ready, let's start assembling. For the base where baby Jesus will be placed, I used materials I brought from a store. But you can easily replace this with wood powder, dried grass, or even soil. I also added some artificial roots and plants, so I am attaching them here and there. This adds texture and makes the whole crib feel more alive and grounded. Now our base is ready. I am adding two fairy lights, carefully hiding them inside the setup. So the focus naturally goes to baby Jesus once everything is placed. Now let's start placing our characters one by one. Take your time here, adjust positions and see what feels right. This is the final look of our Christmas Nativity crib. Let me know in the comments how this turned out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And yes, there's more Christmas content coming soon. Merry Christmas and I'll see you in the next video.